Welcome to the installation video for the door mount kit. In order to install, you will need the following tools. In your box, you will find the following parts: door brackets, L brackets, screws and nuts, wood screws, machine screws, door extenders, and double stick tape. Product finishes may vary by product selection. Start by removing your cabinet door. Next, remove the hinges. In order to attach the screws and nuts to the slides, you may need to pop the wire tray out for easier access. Attach the L brackets to your slide. We recommend using an adjustable wrench in order to properly secure. Repeat on the other side. You can now snap the wire tray back into position. Place the provided machine screws through the outside of the L brackets. Next, hang the door brackets on the L brackets. Only gently tighten for now. We will show you how to make adjustments later. Repeat on the other side. Our goal is to line up the brackets to the thick portion of your cabinet door. If your brackets do not align with the thick portion, you may need to install the 4 provided plastic spacers. The spacers will allow you to reach the thick portion so that your screws do not penetrate through the door. There are 2 methods to attach the door. The first method involves using the included double stick tape. This is the quickest and easiest method. However, it is less precise and it does limit some adjustability since the door will become adhered to the door brackets. Apply double stick tape to the door brackets. Attach the cabinet door to the brackets while trying to keep the door level. Push the door closed and apply pressure to all 4 corners, making sure the door is flush with the cabinet. Pre-drill the holes using your 3 32nd-inch bit. The double stick tape will help hold the door in place. Do not drill all the way through your cabinet door. Use the wood screws to secure the door brackets to the cabinet door. An alternative door mount method is more precise, however. It does involve a bit of math. Measure from the base of the face frame up to each slotted hole location and record those dimensions. Measure the entire door opening and record that value. Now measure the entire height of your cabinet door and record that value. In our case, we have a full overlay door, so the door is larger than the opening. No worries. Simply subtract the cabinet opening dimension from the door height dimension. Divide that number by 2, and you will have the dimension you need to add to your hole location dimensions recorded earlier. Transfer those dimensions to your door from the bottom and mark the hole locations. It's a good idea to put a piece of tape on the bit to use as a guide to keep you from drilling all the way through the door. Pre-drill using your 3 32nd-inch bit. Attach the door to the door brackets with the provided wood screws. You can adjust the tilt and skew by loosening the machine screws on either or both sides of the door. For side-to-side adjustments, loosen the screws and slide along the slotted holes. Once the door is aligned, tighten the screws. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.